What is up ho sa inyong lahat? Hello beautiful vlogs TV subscribers and supporters all over the world. Mega shout out to our fellow super YouTubers. Nan Suzek Angel and 20 Emo Jew. How are you doing today po? For those who are new to my channel, my name is Jason. I am the creator of Vlogs TV YouTube channel. I am a teacher here in the Philippines, a YouTuber, and a road safety advocate as well. I want to share my vlogs to everyone who might find my content useful. I talk about educational topics like educational vlogs, health vlogs, moto vlogs, and paranormal vlogs. If you like my content today, please do click on that red subscribe radio button on YouTube and please click on the notification bell as well to get updated on my latest uploads. You can find more of my contents on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram as well. Are you looking for vlogs about Suzuki Raider? If that is so, this vlog is what you've been looking for. Content. The Suzuki Raider 150 or Suzuki Satria 150 in Indonesia and Suzuki Balong R150 in Malaysia uses the 150cc, 9.2 cubic inches DOHC 4-valve single-cylinder engine based from Suzuki FXR 150 with a 6-speed transmission. The frame, rear swing arm, rear suspension, seat and front brakes are redesigned from the Suzuki FX 125 chassis, making it more aerodynamic. Rear monoshock suspension, 6-speed short gear ratio transmission, dual camshaft engine, lightweight chassis construction, alloy cast wheel, large diameter front disc brake, and a rear disc brake which is rarely found in underbones. First generation 2003 to 2007. The first generation Suzuki Raider R150 was assembled in Thailand. It has the same DOHC oil-cooled carbureted engine from FXR 150 from Malaysia. They redesigned the chassis and made it on an underbone category and also changed the carb to 26 mm, originally 29 mm carburetor size, and the power was detuned from 20 PS to 16.5 PS. The Raider R150 was launched in 2004 in the Philippines, also in Indonesia as Satria F150 replacing two-stroke Satria 120R. This generation Raider R150 was exported from Thailand to other markets in Southeast Asia. Second generation 2008 to 2013. From this generation, Suzuki moved the assembling to Indonesia. Suzuki Raider 150R got a slight makeover in its design. The headlight was changed inspired by that of the GSX-R 600-750th Superbikes. The Raider 150 was released in 2009 for the Malaysian market as the Suzuki Balong R150. The Raider R150 was released in 2013 for the Vietnamese market. This shows a good example of how the new design from the Suzuki Raider 150R headlight was inspired by the GSX-R product line. Third generation 2013 to 2016. For third generation, Raider R150 got new bodywork on the headlights and slimmer body, but the engine is still the same as the older models. In 2015, this model got reworked to meet Euro 3 emission standard. As 2019, this model still sold in Philippines along with the new FI model. Fourth generation 2016 to present. The fourth model was introduced in 2016, with totally new design, new digital speedometer, LED headlights, the engine now fuel injected and with liquid-cooled cooling system. This engine also shared with the GSX-R 150, albeit with different gear ratios in the transmission, different injectors and different tuning in the ECM. Outro. Well, I hope you guys like my video today. Please share your thoughts about my topic today in the comments section and I'm gonna do my best to read them and make an immediate reply to each of you. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Cheers to the growing number of YouTube subscribers who keep on inspiring me to create more educational contents. If you feel like, for some reasons, this vlog was able to help you, kindly hit that red subscribe button and click on the bell that should appear next to it. Thank you very much for all of your relentless support.